set up. 3.
This is Alaya break, and I am on here with the weather storm, and we are having the biggest storm.
Cut. Okay, ready?
Start over.
Yeah, get back a little bit further. Okay, ready? 3. Action.
This is Alaya with here, and we are here in the rain, and it is a 50% chance that it is already raining. There is a storm coming in right now, and we are having the biggest storm in our life. You know, that is raining! I would not suggest going out right now. Instead, do not bring your kids and be careful. There is lightning and thunder and all kinds of stuff, and you can just get blown away!
I hope this camera's waterproof.
That almost blew my umbrella away.
Go up and down this way. Where's she going, guys? Where's she leaving to? She's gonna blow away. She's gonna blow away at the storm of the century, people. Folks, that is Alaya going to make it back onto the news beat. Come on, Leia, before the storm takes you away.
This is what will happen to you, ladies and gentlemen. What a cheap umbrella. I'm going back to Walmart. Here we go, people. This is going to be a flood.
This is one heck of a storm,
This
folks.
is going to be a flood warning.
A flash flood, honey.
Flood warning.
Look at that arena coming down. This is what it's like when it storms here in Springfield, Missouri.
Da-da-da-da.
Dun, da, 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 da. And there she goes, folks. There she goes, out on the streets, getting the weather just for you. Taking the risks, the chances, risking her very life just to bring the news right to you in your living room. She is a dedicated newscaster, meteorologist, Alaya Bell.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, there's a bad storm out there.
Hey, this is getting bad. Okay, we're gonna cut out and get Leia Bell back inside. Back to you, Ted.
Wow, no, seriously. If you walk out there, you cannot go again.
Honey, like whenever you were running up, I was like, there she is, people. Alaya Break out there risking her very life to bring the weather to you. That was awesome.
I'm not going inside again. I gotta go out there again.
You gotta get out there again?
Yeah. You should join me. You should join me.
Pauline, get back. Get back. I'm going in.
One more time around.
Okay. Hello, America. This is the smartest, most brave cat in the whole entire world. And his name is Fellini Mussolini, the evil dictator. Do something for us, Feline. Is that all you got? Is that all you got? Huh? Is that all I'm gonna get? What do you got for me? All right, well. Oh, and here is our space captain, Alaya. She's getting ready to go to the moon. Where's your get up? Did you just flash the camera?